Hello friends, in this video I'll teach you how you can create your first GUI application in NetBeans. Okay, so let's start. You have to click on this yellow icon and here you can see an option Java and Java application. Click next and name your application my first Java GUI. Okay, name whatever you want. Okay, and don't create, uncheck this one. Okay, because we don't need main class, and finish. So it will take some time to create a project for you. You can see our first GUI project is ready. Now what we have to do? You can see you have to click on our project, okay, and create a new JFrame form, okay. So I name it as login and finish. So you can see I simply adjust it and here I have to take a panel and put it here. You may put anything, okay, from here to create your required GUI. So I take a panel and put it here to set it in the background, okay, and open properties. Once you right click on your J panel, okay, a properties option, you may see a properties here, okay. So here you may change the background color. So I want to set a green background color, okay, and close. So you can see, and then I have to take a label and put it here and name it as login. Okay, change the color to white. So you can see you have to change the foreground color and make it white, okay. It's 24 and bold, so I think it's look better. And you have to take a username, okay. So let me make set the font size to 36, okay. So here I have to type username, because we have to take the username and password, okay. So username and properties. From properties you may change the background color, okay, so the foreground color or font size, okay. So I set white and 18 bold, okay, and make it as bold, okay. So once you click here you may type Ctrl D to duplicate, okay. So name it as, change the text to password, okay. That's all. And what you have to do now, you have to take one text field and one password field, okay. So you can see I simply drag and drop it here, taking username and password. So this one is our password field, so I have to put it here and adjust it. You can see our interface is now ready. So double click it here. So reward, you can see there are two parts, okay, a design part and the source part, okay. Here we have to write the backend logic and here we have to design, okay. So first of all edit text to null and password also set to null and take a button, okay. submit. So let's first run and check the interface. Okay, how our interface look like. So our main class is login. So this is how our interface look like. Okay, you can see it appear in the top left corner. Okay, so how to set it in the middle of screen? So it's too easy. You have to, you can see you have to open navigator. Okay, and select this JFrame and properties. Okay, then click in code, and you can see there is an option generate center. Okay, generate resize code and generate center and click close. Now once you run this one, it open in the middle of screen. You can see. Now it's time to design a new frame, new JFrame form, and name it as home page. So this one is our home page. Take a panel, put it here, properties, set the color to green. Okay, and put a label here. Edit text, welcome to home page. Okay, that's all. Same like that, open properties and change the font family and font size. Okay, bold, and what we have to do, text color white. Okay, and close. Also click it here, properties, code, generate resize code, generate center. Okay, and close. So you have to change the variable names. Okay, change the variable name where we have to put text. Okay, so these are the text field. It's username, and change variable name to pass. Okay, because we have to get the text that entered by user. Okay, with these variables. So once you click on this submit button, double click. Okay, or you may right click, properties, events. Okay, you can see action performed. Okay, double click it here, and you will go in the implementation in the source part. Okay, so what we have to do here, first of all we have to get the password and username. Okay, so we have to create two string variables, username which is equal to username dot get text. Okay, string user pass which is equal to pass dot get text. Okay, it's capital. Now here what we have to do, we have to check. Okay, if un dot equals like Bilal and password dot equals 1234. Then we allow to log in, otherwise we display an error message. Okay, else J option show message dialog. Okay, what we have to pass here, simply null invalid username or password. Okay, and if it is valid, what we have to do, we have to create home page object. Okay, home page, which is equal to new of home page hp dot set visible true. This dot set visible false. Okay, so once I run this one, if I put a username and put first time invalid password and submit, you can see invalid username or password. So what's my password? 1234 and submit. You can see welcome to home page. So this is the way you can create your first application in Java with GUI. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Bye bye, tata, see you.